Thank you for joining in on another episode of Beyond Sex Talk. My name's Lisa. I'm a counselor as well as a sexual health educator, and my goal is to provide non-judgmental, sex-positive knowledge and skills so individuals can make healthy, confident sexual decisions. So in this episode, I'm going to be answering one of the questions from a young viewer, and their question is, why do people get wet dreams? Wet dreams are also referred to nocturnal emissions. They can be experienced by both a male body and a female body person. They normally occur during puberty. However, it can occur also later in life in adulthood as well. This experience is when semen comes out of the penis while an individual is sleeping. Sometimes this occurs because of what we are dreaming, but other times we just wake up and we'll find that there's a wet spot on the bed. For a female body person, this occurs when there's an arousal, an orgasm that occurs, and there's a vaginal discharge. Once again, it could be due to dreams, but it is not when someone is masturbating. That is completely different. That is actual self-stimulation. Not knowing about wet dreams in advance can make this experience of finding a wet spot in the bed on your sheets somewhat embarrassing and shocking. But just to let you know, it's perfectly normal. If this is happening, this is a good time to actually have a conversation, maybe with your parents or the adults in the house, and take on the responsibility of doing your own laundry. Because this is happening during puberty, it can be overwhelming, and you might actually want to now take on the responsibility of cleaning your own clothes, cleaning your bed sheets, so that way you can keep this private if that's what you wish. A lot of times having the conversation with your parents might be daunting as well, which is one of the reasons why knowing in advance, discovering it, and then taking on the responsibility of just washing your bed sheets might be all that you need to do. Here's some facts that you may want to know about wet dreams. Fact number 1, wet dreams do not reduce your sperm count or the structure of your penis. Number 2, wet dreams do not reduce your immune system. Number 3, masturbation cannot prevent wet dreams. So another tidbit that I would like to share is that everyone is different when they're going through puberty, as well as when it comes down to wet dreams. You may have an individual that has a lot of wet dreams, another experiencing not so many wet dreams, and another who may not experience any of them. And that, it's perfectly normal. Thank you for this great question and allowing me to answer this. Hopefully this helps you in advance to feel confident that if it occurs, a wet dream occurs, that you feel comfortable enough to going, I know what this is, I can do something about it, like just washing your sheets. Also, thank you for joining in on another episode on Beyond the Sex Talk. My name's Lisa. Please subscribe below. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have any questions that you would like to be answered, please message me and I will try and answer them right here on Beyond the Sex Talk. Cheers.